Euro against US dollar this week started the week with a gap, and we can see after the previous week, Friday, has closed the price below, where I was expecting the price will continue to lose its value. The week has started with a gap, starting the price right here, and then during the day the price returned back up to close this gap that has been formed. Then next day we can see on the Tuesday the price formed this bullish breakout where the price continued to rise in value all the way to the Friday, where on the Thursday the price formed again bullish breakout, indicating further rise in value. These breakouts was also shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, where the target was right here, starting here as a resistance level, a supply zone. Now we can see that the weekly time frame has closed as a bullish candle, and a pretty strong one, where the price has reached this resistance level. We can see that here, where the price has stopped in the previous attempt in this month. This was 3 months ago, and then we can see the price was trying to reach higher price levels. Now the monthly time frame shows me that sorry, this was a mistake 3 weeks ago. This was a monthly time frame. We have still more 2 weeks to go. So we can see after the indecision candle in the previous month, currently we have a bullish candle has been forming, and we can see that the price has formed a pretty strong one with a smaller wick on the upper and the lower side. This means currently there is a strong bullish momentum right here at this area of support, which has pushed the price above. And also we can see after the price has formed a pretty large gap, starting from here to here, the price has closed this gap, which is always expected. The price will return to close the gap as soon as possible. Now in the next 2 weeks, I'm expecting the price will try to rise in value, reaching an area around 1.05947. We can see that it is an empty space for the price. On the weekly time frame, we can see it is also an empty space where the price could reach that. But first of all, on the daily time frame, we need to see the price forming this bullish breakout at 1.05274. So next week I'm expecting that the price will try to reach and also reach here a supply zone at this resistance level, and after that we'll see will the price manage to make a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, or it will bounce back down, returning back to the first support level at 1.04366. So for now, I'm still bullish oriented to see the price reaching high price levels on a Monday, and especially on the 4-hour time frame, there is a small resistance and support level that I will share with the traders inside the premium analysis, so they are informed when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout and where is the target. If you would like also to join this premium analysis, feel free to check link in the description. And also do not forget, I am also sharing 3 trading accounts with $300, $200 and $100 with the brokers, so feel free to check in the next 2 weeks. You still have time to join and also potentially be a winner. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.